Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the TV itself powers on and responds. If the TV has no power, no remote will work. Once the TV shows a standby LED or menu, replace both batteries with fresh ones and test the remote's IR emitter through a phone camera to see a flash. Make sure you are within 8-10 meters and a roughly 30 degrees angle with no obstructions. These steps eliminate the most common causes quickly, so you can move to pairing or signal tests. You now focus on pairing and signal integrity because Sony remotes can be Bluetooth or IR. Pairing resets the Bluetooth link and restores full control. Once done, hold the TV's pairing button for 3 to 5 seconds, then press the remote's power and enter buttons as instructed. Alternatively, navigate settings remote and accessories add device. Test core commands like volume, home, and guide to identify intermittent failures, which indicate RF interference or damaged button. You finish by addressing hardware and software culprits. First, remove batteries and clean the contacts with a 70–90% isopropyl swab. Corrosion often disrupts current flow. If pairing still fails, perform a remote factory reset from settings and repair the remote to the TV. Finally, test with a USB IR dongle or a replacement remote model to confirm whether the unit itself is faulty. Troubleshooting tip: if only some buttons fail, physical contact cleaning usually fixes it. Full failure points to electronics or battery terminal damage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.